Good morning, बच्चों. Today we will learn about new experiment which is known as flywheel. The aim in this experiment is determination of moment of inertia of this flywheel with the help of falling weight method. And in this apparatus, this is flywheel, and this flywheel is mounted on the bearing, which is again connected with this shaft. See, this is the shaft, and it has some hole. In this hole, we insert this knotted end. This is the knotted end, and this is connected with the rope, and rope is again connected with this hanger consisting some weight. So with the help of this weight, we calculate the moment of inertia of this flywheel. So before coming to the calculation, we should know what is flywheel and why its necessity comes. Here I am having some pictures. See. Yes, keep it for So while in power transmission, what we see, we are you might have seen the internal combustion engine, मीन्स डीजल इंजन रहता है और उसमें क्या होता है, फ्यूल का इंजेक्शन होता है. तो फ्यूल इंजेक्ट होता है तो उसमें देखिए 4 स्ट्रोक रहते हैं, सक्शन, कंप्रेशन, पावर एंड एग्जॉस्ट. इन दिस यस कम हियर, there are having 4 stroke. See, this is the intake stroke, means suction stroke. After that there is compression. Again third stroke is power stroke, and the fourth one is exhaust stroke. In power stroke, what we get, the maximum torque, and this is the turning moment diagram with all the 4 stroke. This is the suction stroke, compression, and this is the power stroke, and this one is exhaust stroke. In turning moment diagram, in power stroke we get the maximum torque, this one. So what we see, there is fluctuation in energy, this one. This is minimum, again minimum compression, and again in power stroke this is maximum. एग्जॉस्ट में मिनिमम होता है. तो हमें ये नेसेसिटी फ्लाईव्हील की इसलिए पड़ी कि ये मैक्सिमम हो रही है एनर्जी इस समय और ये मिनिमम है. तो इस समय आप जब कार ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो, बस पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, तो ये तो नहीं देखते होगे कि कभी 100 स्पीड चला गया, 20 पे आ गया. तो टू मेंटेन द यूनिफॉर्म टॉर्क, मेंटेन द यूनिफॉर्मिटी इन पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, वी आर यूजिंग फ्लाईव्हील. यस, again here see, this is the flywheel which is connected with the crankshaft of multi-cylinder diesel engine. This is the 4-cylinder diesel engine. This is crankshaft and attached with the flywheel. So ये क्या करता है, पावर स्ट्रोक में मैक्सिमम टॉर्क आया, सक्शन में मिनिमम टॉर्क आया. तो टू मिनिमाइज, टू मेंटेन द मीन टॉर्क, सी दिस इज द मीन टॉर्क. ये मीन टॉर्क मेंटेन करने के लिए क्या होता है, फ्लाईव्हील यूज़ होता है. फ्लाईव्हील का काम क्या है, टू स्टोर द एनर्जी, ये स्टोर द एनर्जी एंड सप्लाइज ड्यूरिंग सक्शन, कंप्रेशन एंड एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक. ये देखिए, ये सिंपल एग्जांपल है आपका, ये पंपिंग सेट का एग्जांपल है. ये वाला गोल वाला घूमते रहता है डिस्क, ये आपकी फ्लाईव्हील है. ये भी आपका पंपिंग सेट का ही एग्जांपल है, दिस इज़ फ्लाईव्हील. और ये गन्ने का जूस निकालने वाला मशीन होता है आजकल, उसमें भी अटैच्ड होता है, ये ग्रीन कलर का रहता है. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट हाउ टू टेक द रीडिंग्स to calculate the moment of inertia of this flywheel. Simply, you know what is moment of inertia? It is an inertia of a body in rotation. ये अभी रेस्ट पर है, कोई moment of inertia नहीं होगा. If I give some little angular displacement like this, इसमें moment of inertia आ गया. So now we are going to find this with the help of falling weight method. Here is having some distances from the ground, 90 centimeter, 105 centimeter and 120 centimeter, and this is the shaft. Okay, you have to take the diameter of shaft for the calculation of this moment of inertia of this flywheel. For this we are using this vernier caliper, digital vernier caliper. This is the digital vernier caliper. We are switching on this vernier caliper and now going to measure this. See, external diameter with this jaw opening and then closing. This is the diameter of shaft, 36.97 mm. Now I am writing this in the table D. Now this is the knotted end and we have attached this weight 3 kgf weight load. Load W is load. kgf means load. We are attaching 3 kgf load with this knotted end. Here is the knotted end. और एक चीज ध्यान देना है, इसमें क्या है, ओवरलैप ना हो। ये देखिए, रोप का ओवरलैपिंग नहीं हो जाने से क्या होगा, फ्रिक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट आएगा, फिर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन ज़्यादा होने लगेगा। यस, वी आर गिविंग दिस एंगुलर रोटेशन एंड वेट until it reaches at some distances. See, it reaches at 120 centimeter. You can see it by naked eye, or you can take some reference of wooden blocks. Yes, give me that caliper. Yes. If you put this like horizontal, by visibility you can see that it is 120 centimeter from the ground. Again, yes, this is it, 120 centimeter from the ground. At this moment, what is the load? 3 kgf load, and distance from the ground is 120 centimeter. Here we require 2 stopwatches. Yes, stopwatch. For this, one more stopwatch. Yes, please. Mobile phone.
3.
Yes. See, this is the weight, 120 centimeter from the ground level, and the rope is tied in the shaft of this flywheel. Now I am going to release my hand. तो क्या होगा, ये मास जो है नीचे गिरेगा. तो the time taken by this mass to reach this ground is the time t1, and time t2 is what? Time taken by flywheel to stop after striking of this mass in the ground. Okay. So one stopwatch start, 2 stopwatch will start at the same time. One stopwatch will measure the time t1 when this mass strikes at the ground, and time t1 plus t2 when this flywheel stops. Okay. Now I am going to start. 3, 2, 1. See what is happening. This gravitational potential energy is converted into rotational kinetic energy, and this energy is getting stored. And in actual flywheel क्या होगा, जब रिक्वायरमेंट होगा हमें, उस समय flywheel क्या करेगा, एनर्जी will supply and maintains the main torque uniformity in power to get the constant speed. Yes, sir. Yes. W we have taken 3 kgf, and H is 120 centimeter. What is the time T1, sir? Yes, time T1 is 16.91. 16.91.
What observation do you have about
16.9 that 90
five?
Yes, see. Now the flywheel getting stopped, and this time is T1 plus T2. Now what is the T1 plus T2 timing? From the stopwatch we get here 108.59 timing. This is time is T1 plus T2. Now to get T2 we subtract 108.59 minus 16.91. It is 91.68 seconds. Ninety-one point 68 second. And in calculation, this is the working formula. This is the working formula of this moment of inertia of flywheel calculation, and we will get the unit in kgf centimeter second square, and we have to take g, acceleration due to gravity, 980 centimeter per second square, and with the help of digital vernier caliper we got the diameter as 36.97 mm. So for the first observation, what we get W as 3 kgf, 4 h from the ground 120 centimeter, time t1 is 16.91 second, time t1 plus t2 is 108.59 and t2 is 91.68 second. So with the help of working formula, I, moment of inertia, W d square T2 T1 square into 1 minus 2h upon g T1 square upon 8h into T1 plus T2. We will get the moment of inertia in kgf centimeter second square, and diameter value we have calculated with digital vernier caliper 36.9 centimeter in mm. In centimeter 0.36.9 centimeter. We put all these values in this working formula here, and now we are calculating this with the help of scientific calculator. Now with the help of scientific calculator, I request you people to purchase this calculator FX991EX. This is the latest version of this calculator. Now going to calculate this. 3 into 13697 square multiplied by T2. T2 time is here 91.68. 91.68 multiplied by 16.91. T1 square multiplied by 1 minus 2 into 120 upon 980 multiplied by 16.91 second square divided by 8 into 120 into 108.59. Just press equal to. This is the moment of inertia of this flywheel with the help of falling weight method. Unit of this I is kgf centimeter second square, and the value is 0.01. kgf centimeter second square. 0130. This is for one calculation. Now what you have to do while you are performing experiment to get some trend means with increase in height from the ground, what is the effect on moment of inertia of this flywheel. First we have taken it 120 centimeter. You will have to take 3 reading at 120 centimeter by changing the weight. What we have taken now 3 kg, again 4 kg, 5 kg you can do. Same weight at lower distance 105 centimeter. 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg, again 90 centimeter, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg. So you have to take 3 set of reading for 3 height. You will get total 9 observation, and you can find in the result that with increase in the height from the ground, what is the effect of moment of inertia of this flight. Okay, thank you.